Look at that striped tail! You are a Sinosauropteryx! You're the cutest ginger dino ever! No teeth? No problem. You're a Limosaurus. You eat stones to stay healthy.
Coolest hair ever. This is Bajatosaurus. Those spikes are totally rock star.
You're like a little knight. Meet Jackapil. That armor is better than a shield. Peekaboo!
This is Arictodromius. You're a master at building underground homes.
You love the cold. Meet Contosaurus. You're like a little snow rocket. Nice hump. This is Concavenator. Is that for storing water or just for style?
Are you a swan or a dinosaur? You're a Hauscaraptor. Look at that elegant neck.
A long neck and spikes? You are a Miragaya. You're the best of both worlds.
1, 2, 3. Wow, 15 horns. You are a Cosmoceratops. That's a lot of headgear.
You have a very long name for such a small dino. Meet Micropachycephalosaurus.
Are you looking for a snack? This is Albertonicus, the master anteater.
Nice ribbons. You are an Epidexipteryx. You're the most stylish dino here. You are so soft. Meet Colindadraeus, the fluffiest dinosaur ever. Whoa, you're like a giant lawnmower. Hello, Nigersaurus. Can you help me clean this field? You're a fast jumper. Meet Shibuya. What are you digging for in the sand?
Ouch! You're a bit prickly, Pegomastax. Nice beak, though.
Wait, are you a bat? No, you're a Yiki. You have the coolest wings in the forest.